Hey everybody, it's Joe Aitcher from Frankfurt on Foot. It's day 3 for the Museum's Riverbank Festival. The river is full, you can see. Ice and Shake is full. It smells great, the food's going. So let's go see what they have here on this last day. So this side looks pretty full. Well, they're playing the music pretty loud. Yes, this telephone really works. You can come in here and dial. I don't know if it takes 10 pfennigs and 50 pfennigs and 1 Deutschmark though, but there you are. Back in the old days. Pretty beautiful. But they're hot and sweaty in there though. And Star Wars is here. Look how beautiful these are. That's the most beautiful woods. Oh my gosh. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. They're adorable. I did not walk down along this part. Mainly just because it's music and drinks and a little bit of food. But we did walk on that side. Nice shot of the dome. And this is the other side. Not near as crowded, but you know, people are still shopping, still going to museums. How much money is in here? But I came down here. I would have missed this. Here comes the third one. See the Museumsuferfest, paddling down the river. Now they're dancing here, Latino truck. And if your feet are giving out on you, take a velo taxi because they're kind of waiting around everywhere. Take a ride, it's fun. Well, I'm just about done, and this is my 3rd day of walking around. I'm exhausted. I've put, I don't know, like 30, 40 kilometers on my feet over this weekend. So hope you had a good time at the Museumsuferfest, and we'll see what festival is coming up next. But enjoy watching these, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.